Over to West Liberty Monday afternoon, Labor Day weekend. They're all taking turns pulling each other to start the tractors, starting the tractors, and going on 2 in the afternoon. So really surprising because the place is completely packed. They had like a dozen or so logs over here. He's got some walnut lined up. He's sawing some poplar or some elm. There's a gnarly log there. I was wondering if they'd get to that, but they have a carver next door. He looks like he's kind of sold out, but he's over there carving. This is the Antique Association, and they've trimmed a couple pieces. We'll look at the rough sawing here in a minute, but he's whittled this down. So I was thinking they were going to edge this pile last, and then they have some walnut lined up. I have a tractor over here with a muffler on it this time. The last one had a straight pipe. And here's a piece of maple they set off to the side. Big old sugar maple. Lions Club Park, West Liberty. And the Cockshut's a featured make this year. Probably should have got a little closer look. A couple of those were like brand new over there. Some more tractors showed up since I was here Friday. It's running pretty smooth though. Just a little sawmill. They seem to do the best job here, and they do the most with the least amount. And there's 3 mills that I'm aware of. The carver has pine. Could be spruce, I suppose, but he's doing OSU themes. Over here is his merchandise is on the other road. He has a piece of live edge there that probably he's using for a workbench. And some more live edge here for carving purposes. But yeah, this was the pieces they were just cutting. The poplar. Yeah. Yeah, cherry. I think that red oak's the prettiest one to cut. Well, with the exception of the cherry. Or they were stacking that poplar over there. I think they had some white oak here. Red oak and white oak, cherry and poplar. So he has an owl. He has a good spot for people to sit and watch. Some pumpkins. I'm seeing tons of pumpkins. Everyone's the day after. Well, this is Monday, September the 1st, and the one guy was setting up a graveyard in his yard, and Halloween decor to the extreme is all going up today. So he has his crazy wheel now. He's like a big mop. He's mopping it with his sandpaper wheel on a battery powered drill. He has a battery powered saw and 2 internal combustions. I thought I seen a battery powered saw over there. All three of them look like they're internal combustion. There's a little a tree like the girl in Alaska over there, lodgepole pine, and three more of them over there. A couple pumpkins. The Ohio cardinal. He just did that. Oh, he's doing another one. Yeah. I'm behind the rope, so I'm not gonna walk over there. The two lovebirds over there, kind of. It's got two of the 8x10 tents. I was hoping I'd see some reflect in here, but it's mostly just. See how wet it is. Yeah. Poplar, cherry, kind of matchbooked cherry log. There we go. What's that? 6x. Over here and look at the flitches. I don't know what he did with that last piece. Yeah, they got the walnut on there now. They're going to switch over to the walnut. Not sure where that last piece went. Is that it? I think that's it, laying right there. It's got a 1958 570. And that's another 570 over here somewhere. Big crowd here today. But yeah, kind of just pretty rough looking. And they made some good usable lumber over here at West Liberty at the Sawmill Lions Club Park on Labor Day weekend. Beauregard Rippey, thanks for watching.